Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's dish is Adas Polo, which means lentil rice. The main ingredients of this dish are rice, lentils, raisins, and ground meat. After washing the rice, add 250 cubic centimeters of water and half a tablespoon of salt. This helps the rice achieve better appearance, aroma, taste, and cooking quality. Depending on the type of rice, soaking time can vary from 1 hour to 6 hours. You should cook the lentils, and you can soak them half an hour before cooking to make them easier to cook. Soak the raisins as well so they have a better texture when fried. Depending on the type of lentils, they take between 20 minutes to 1 hour to cook. But they must not become mushy, as they will also cook a bit when the rice is being prepared. Cut off the end of the onion so that when slicing it, the pieces remain separate. Grate half of an onion and squeeze out its juice, mixing it with the spices listed below with the ground meat. If you don't squeeze out the onion juice, the meatballs may fall apart during frying. This dish is one of the main foods served during Nazri. To explain Nazri simply, it is when you make a request to God, and upon its fulfillment, you promise to feed the less fortunate as a token of gratitude, this dish being a common dish for this purpose. Fry the raisins over very low heat for 5 minutes. Fry the meat over low heat to ensure it cooks through. Fry the sliced onions and add turmeric and dissolved saffron at this stage. There are two main methods for preparing rice, kata and cello. For kata, place the water and rice in a pot and let it come to a boil. Once half the water has evaporated, add the lentils. Spices are very important in this dish. Add the spices listed below to the food. Let the water completely evaporate. Cover it and reduce the heat to very low. Let the dish cook for about half an hour. After 30 minutes, place the meat on the rice and let it cook and warm with the rice for another 10 minutes. I hope you make this traditional Iranian dish for yourself and your family and enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the other videos on the channel as well. I simply teach Iranian recipes, so please introduce this channel to your friends. To serve, first mix a few tablespoons of rice with a spoonful of dissolved saffron. Place the Adas Polo on a plate, top it with saffron rice, then add caramelized onions, raisins, and fried meatballs on top. If you have any questions about cooking this dish, please leave a comment and I will gladly answer them. This dish is very delicious and tasty. You can enjoy it with Shirazi salad and yogurt. Thank you very much for staying with me until now.